Hi guys, yesterday Zapier launched Zapier Central, and let's say it's like a GPT, but it's here to set up and connect with different sources, ask them to perform different actions, just easy with all, like everything you can do with no code. So this is the interface for Zapier Central. Here you can create as many bots as you'd like. Now we are in the customer support bot that I just created. What makes it different and what is special about it? So for the bot, you can create 3 different type of, let's say, actions or features, and one of them is the behavior. The behavior is, let's say, as if you had SAP, but in this case, you would set up the behavior by providing instructions. So in this case, I want this bot to add whenever I get a new email. And in case it is a customer support query, so you see that I am already introducing some AI capabilities, tag it with the label ticket that I have already created. Also, if they add this label to the email, again, this is kind of a path. Please create a draft reply for the customer acting as the customer support agent. In case the customer is asking about a specific order, you have access to this data source, find the specific PO, and provide a personalized answer to the customer. So this is what I want this bot to do every time I get a new email. And you could actually do all of this by creating SAPs or automations. So, you can use the OpenAI API, for example, to do all of this on its own. But you could agree that doing it this way is pretty much easier. So this is behaviors. These are like SAPs or other automations. They have a trigger, and then you would perform different actions, and you can add some if and buts in the SAP itself. Another thing that we have are instant actions. In this case, these actions are not going to be performed automatically because there is no trigger. The trigger is you asking directly the bot to do that action. So for example, here I have create a draft, find an email, remove label, and these ones would be automatically done, but I have to ask the bot to do that for me. And then you can connect the bot to data sources. We already saw here that we were talking about data sources. So here I have connected the bot to the orders table, and you have 6 different options right now. So yeah, they are probably going to be adding more very soon. You can add frequently asked questions and general knowledge about your company. So the bot has access to that data source. On the behaviors and instant actions, you would have access to every that Zapier is connected to, right? So you will have all of the different apps. It's only on the data source that right now there are only these 6 of them. So I just sent email to myself. Let's wait for a few moments and let's see if the bot is performing. Here on the activity tab, you can see the different behaviors and instant actions that are being performed. So here you will select all of the different behaviors you have set up. And in this case, this is happening right now. It's in progress, and let's see what it comes up. And we just got a draft message, so let's go see it, saying, hey, thank you. We have received your query regarding the delay of your PO. We are looking into the matter. We provide you with an update. Thank you for your patience and understanding. So in this case, it didn't provide an answer specifically to that order, which is in the data source. Okay, so I'm going to ask which customer support draft replies. Okay, so it says it found 2, and that's correct because actually there are 2 drafts here from another automation I have. And just clicking on it, you are able to go directly to the draft and decide that you want to send it. But we could also say we want to send this email. We just get a confirmation that this was sent, and actually if I go to my sent emails, I have this that shows that it was successfully sent. So yeah, I believe this has a lot of potential. You can feel that it's still in a beta phase, but hopefully they keep developing, and I believe this is the right way to